Hey, young historians, Mr. Moran here, and today you're going to be learning about the age of exploration and about the Columbia Exchange. This is a two-part assignment. So I have my landing page here that just explains some terminology. For instance, sometimes historians will say Columbus discovered the New World. We don't use that term discovered or discovering because it implies that the people that were here for thousands of years were somewhat lost and they were discovered, which is not really a good way to understand this whole thing. But what you're going to be doing is you're going to be learning about just a few of the explorers, such as Christopher Columbus, John Cabot, Amerigo Vespucci, Francis Drake, or Ferdinand Magellan. And you're going to go to this website. But the website will also include Vasco da Gama. Don't focus on him. And so let's go back to the assignment so you can see what's going to happen here. So what you're going to be doing is completing a top hat. Top hat's like a Venn diagram. You know that assignment where you have two circles together, you compare a contrast, but the top hat allows you more space. So first go to this website. It looks like this. And you'll go to a menu here as soon as it loads. And you see you have your explorers here. And so let's say we're going to click on Ferdinand Magellan here. If it's going to work. Oh, it's over here, sorry. Click on Ferdinand Magellan. And so you can see that you got four little pages here, four little paragraphs, and it will show you a map of where he explored. Go through these pages if you want to explore Ferdinand Magellan. Read about them, and some of them will have videos. Watch the videos, and then once you get done, you'll go back down here and click on another one. And then once you've done that, you've got some information about each of these guys. You'll come back to this page and you will click on the top hat assignment. And the top hat will look like this. And so here's an example. You're going to have Explorer 1 name here, Explorer 2 name right here. So you might have Christopher Columbus over here, and then you might have John Cabot over here. And you're going to have two unique attributes about Christopher Columbus and two unique aspects about John Cabot. And then down here are two similarities. And again, you can see how this is like a Venn diagram. It's just you have more room. And then here's the blank version here. You'll fill this out. And I've given you some examples here of Christopher Columbus. And here's Vasco da Gama. Again, you are not using Vasco da Gama. And then there's a question right here you need to answer. Explain which one of the two explorers you learned about was historically more important. So again, for part 1, you're filling this out. And I know there's 3 dots there. You only need 2 for each part. 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. Name of the explorer here that you choose, and name of the explorer here. And then don't forget the reflection assignment. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go to part 2, which part 2 is about the Columbia Exchange, and this is a short video about Columbia Exchange. And as you watch the video, you're going to complete some questions about Columbia Exchange, and the video is no more than 3, maybe 4 minutes long. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask your teacher. I'm sorry, I will not be available for office hours today. I am without power still. And so I will try to answer your questions when I have power. Thanks.